Hello everyone, my name is Olivia Jones and I work for the Division of Educational Innovations and Extended Studies for Lincoln University, and today I'll be showing you how you're able to edit a quiz or test. So from the home screen of your course page, go down until you see Quizzes and select on Quizzes. Once you've selected Quizzes, if you have an existing test or quiz, select that test or quiz. Then select Edit. Once you've selected Edit, you have the option of editing your detailed information or going over to Questions, hovering over that question, and selecting the pencil to edit. And this is how you edit your test or quiz. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you.